They sink. A wooden
Let's see.
pencil. Oh, it floats a little bit. Science experiment time! Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Johnny and me is my sister Kayla who will assist me in this experiment. For today's video, we are going to see the materials if they sink or float. We will need a metal spoon, a wooden pencil, a comb, a soap, and a coin. We will dip in each one by one to see if they will sink or float.
Okay, so simulan natin sa spoon.
They sink.
Yan. The spoon sank because it is
Made out of metal.
metal and it is heavy. Now we will try. What's that? What's that?
It's
Okay.
a wooden
Let's see.
pencil. Oh, it floats a little bit.
Uh-huh.
It floats. Yes, it floats.
Okay.
Time for the comb.
Time for comb.
Oh, it floats.
That means
The coin is a metal, so I think it will float. Sink.
okay.
Just like this. Last one is the soap, so we need to get everything first. This is so heavy.
Seriously?
Oh, it sinked because it is so heavy.
It's ink, John.
Yes, it's.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Don't touch it. Let me see.
There. It's sinking and it's
At the bottom?
Yes, at the very, very bottom.
Okay, so that means
It's so wet.
3 materials sank and 2 materials float. The plastic one and the wooden one.
Why do boats float in the water? Why do coins sink in the water? Again, why do coins sink in the water? The ability of materials to sink and float in water depends on their density. Again, the ability of materials to sink and float in water depends on their density. What is density? Density is the amount of mass of an object per unit volume. Again, what is density? Density is the amount of mass of an object per unit volume. So water has a density of 1 gram cubic centimeter. Again, water has a density of 1 gram cubic centimeter. If the density of a material is less than the density of water, the material will float in the water. Again, if the density of material is less than the density of water, the material will float in the water. Example, a boat and a water. So the boat will float. Why? Why do you think a boat or a ship will float in the water? Because the density of a boat is less than the density of water, which is 1 gram cubic centimeter. So the boat will float in the water. But if the density of a material is higher than the density of water, the material will sink in the water. Again, but if the density of a material is higher than the density of water, the the material will sink in the water. For example, a gold. So, the gold will sink. Why? Because the gold has a density of 19.3 grams cubic centimeter, while the water density is 1 gram cubic centimeter. So the gold will sink because the density of a gold is greater than the density of water. So the gold will sink in water. To fully understand our lesson, remember the following. Sink. Sink means to go to the bottom of water. Again, sink means to go to the bottom of water. Float. Float means to stay on top. Again, float means to stay on top. Some things float on the surface of water. Others submerge partway down. Like for example, a box, an empty box. Some things sink because they have the ability to absorb water. Some things like a box, an empty box, sink because they have the ability to absorb water. And some things sink very fast like a coin. And some things sink very slowly. The shape of an object can affect its ability to float, but some materials float no matter what is their shape, like styrofoam and wood. Again, the shape of an object can affect its ability to float, but some materials float no matter what is their shape, such as styrofoam and wood. Some things float at first, but then slowly sink as they absorb water through their holes.
So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please click the like button and click the subscribe button for more videos. Bye!